Yo, what's good YouTube? You guys already know I'm bringing you another unboxing, but this time we're actually unboxing the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, which I don't know if you guys have seen it, but this phone looks absolutely incredible for what I've seen on other videos and other people reviewing it and talking about it. So I cannot wait for this unboxing. Actually pretty excited. Let's go ahead and get on with it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it around. We have the open tag right in here. Let's rip that off and see what happens next. Oh, this one's actually kind of hard. Okay, so from here we're supposed to apparently just pull it up like this and see. Oh, there it goes. We have the first part of it open. Now let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, so the first thing that we got is a case, and shout outs to Nothing for doing this. Not every company is putting a case in the box when you get a phone, and it's not the highest quality case. Obviously it's plastic, but this will definitely hold you off until you get another case. This might be super bright, but this is the USB type C to type C cable. I don't know if you guys might be able to see this because it's too bright. The cable actually has Nothing written all over here, which is a super nice detail. I might show it later on in the video when it's not as bright. And then in the whole box we have a little manual and another paper that gives details about the phone, like the IP rating, how to repair it, warranty, and things like that, which I'm gonna be talking about on the full review, so make sure you subscribe for that. Then we have the manual, nothing too crazy. Last but not least, we also have this sick SIM popping tool. The CMF Phone 2 Pro that I have had a orange one. This one's completely transparent. It actually looks really cool. And now that everything is out of the way, let's go ahead and get the phone out, which is what we all came here for. And right away, when you take it out of the box, the back part, the camera plateau or the camera part, is completely uncovered. As you can see, the wrap is all over the phone. And first look, this thing is actually bigger than it looks on other videos. When you see it in person, you're gonna see that it's actually bigger than what the videos show. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this back boy out of the wrap. Ooh. Satisfying, of course. And then let's go ahead and have a look around the phone. Okay, first impressions. Wow, the phone looks absolutely incredible. Even in the hands, it feels really good in the hands. We have rounded corners, which I prefer when you're holding the phone, but other than that, the phone does look really nice. Obviously it's different, pretty unique, exactly how Nothing makes all the devices. Another thing that I wanted to point out is this is the CMF Phone 2 Pro, and the back of the phone on the CMF Phone 4a Pro looks similar to the one on this one on the CMF phone, and maybe because it has this little round thing in the middle, and the CMF phone does have the same thing in here that you can take off. But yeah, I just wanted to throw this out there. I don't know how many people will actually agree, but if you do, let me know down in the comments. Now, going around the phone, the button layout is pretty standard, and you guys can see the buttons right in here. Probably your button to lock the phone and things along the line, volume down, volume up. This button in here is a little bit glossy. I'm assuming this will be something that you can map to other activities, or maybe it might just be for you to activate the voice assistant. I haven't tested the phone fully, just open it up, but that's something that it'll be included on the full review. Now, the back part, definitely the most interesting part, where the camera sits. As you guys can see, one camera here, then there's the other cameras at the bottom, and then the craziest thing that takes a chunk of the space in here is the glyph matrix. I am particularly excited to see what can it be done with the glyph matrix, but other than that, everything seems to be protected by this plastic in here. But the cameras do stick out. I don't know if you guys are able to see that. If not, I'll show it on another video. The cameras also, at least on paper, they sound super high quality. I mean, we're looking at a triple 50 megapixel camera setup. It also has a 3.5 periscope lens, so this will be super fun to put to the test. Now, turning this around to the screen, it also has a screen protector, which a lot of phones don't even bring that anymore. The screen is also pretty big in size. I mean, this is a 6.83 inch AMOLED display with 144 refresh rate, which is actually insane. The screen has 5000 nits of brightness, which we're gonna put to the test. I cannot wait to take this outside and see how the screen works. Another thing that I wanted to show you guys is how similar the Nothing products look when you put them right by side. It's actually crazy. The same details. I mean, when you look at the headphone ones, it looks like the back of the phone is made out of the same material that they use for the headphone one in here. You can see the red square in here, but you can also see it on the headphones. The same protective plastic in here is also on the headphones as well. I mean, if you put them side by side and you actually look at these devices, they look super similar, which a lot of brands don't do. I actually really like this when nothing does things like this. Super excited to rock these two devices together and see how they work with each other and integrate with each other in the ecosystem. Cannot wait for that either. So that was the unboxing of the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, which is a little bit of a long name, but other than that, the phone looks incredible, feels really good in the hand. The screen looks to be super nice, but we'll see during testing. Particularly interested to test the camera also. I mean, it's a triple 50 megapixel camera layout, so let's see how that goes during testing as well. I did share some of the specs of the phone with you guys, so I cannot wait to test this thing to its limits. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments if you want me to do anything in a specific. Other than that, this is all for today. The phone does look really good, so I might just go ahead and start testing right away. See you guys later in another video. Peace out.